We saw this on TikTok, so we wanted to see how our sunflower tasted grilled. We just removed the petals and the leaves and the flowers. Gave it a good wash. Added some olive oil and seasonings of choice. Placed it on the grill for 5 to 6 minutes, and look at that sizzle and char.
Good, but interesting.
It took him a few minutes, but he ate the whole thing.